So you're sitting down taking NREMT. Your patient can't breathe. Do you give nasal cannula? Do you give them a breather? Do you do BVM ventilations? Let me clear this up for you. So what the mnemonic you're going to use to evaluate this in the question is RR owl. I call it the pirate owl mnemonic, like R, right? So RR is respiratory rate. What's the respiratory rate of the patient, right? O is for oxygen. What's the pulse oximetry? What's the reading on that? What is the words per sentence? Then finally, are there any signs of labored breathing, like accessory muscle use, anything with a skin condition that you can see in the question? Evaluate that and it should guide you to the right answer.
Follow for more NREMT tips.